Hey, good morning, guys. Here today a little bit early for open house. I'm over here in Wyndham Lakes, which is going to be on Odessa. It's going to be the upper part. So where you would go, this would be off of Gun Highway heading north, almost like heading towards 54. But you're still, in a really good area. This is a community residential area. Very nice place. Homes are pretty reminiscent to, I would probably say almost like not quite a Van Dyke Farms, but they're still relatively pretty good size. Not an oversized lots per se, but still a really nice, high desired area, small community, and I'm going to do a walkthrough of the house. That way you can get an idea and see what it is. This is a 4.2, just a little over 2,000 square foot for 375. Really nice house. That was one of the top searches last year was the homes with pools, just because like we're getting a pool ourselves and that is taking forever. But do some video here for you guys. Squirrel on top of the roof. All the homes here are pretty well maintained, taken care of, very quiet. This one's not off a busy road or anything like that. Weather is gorgeous right now. Not a lot of sun, but still. But this is a really nice house. And just went on the market yesterday. We had a full day of showings on this one, which is insane. Today as well, a lot of showings. Our open house is between 12 and 2. Just walk the outside of it. And this one still has some pretty good space, so it's not like it's right on top of each other. Like some of these other newer developments. Nothing wrong with it either, just all really comes down to preference. I want to show you the backyard from this one too, which is pretty nice. And say the backyard space, there's not as much from here, but it's very, very well landscaped. But this space, if you have dogs, this would be a really good space, that you can still play with them. Kids can have a space back here, they can use. And I would say about this backyard space is probably from that tree or that bush up to here. You probably got about a good, 12, maybe 15 feet easily. And then across from this to here, probably almost 20 feet. Got the screened in pool. It's got a door that leads to the back. I probably would pave that a little bit maybe. That way people can go in and out. You can tell spring's coming. The bees are already out. So let me show you the back behind this. Those are going to be more executive style homes. There's a lake back that way. Those properties are going to be big bucks. This one's listed at $375. We'll walk inside. And then that house right there in the corner just got painted. Just saw the painters leave. It's pretty low maintenance as far as for the landscaping goes. Don't have to do a lot of work. It's a nice little touch. Some granite there. Nice high ceilings. You got your window there for light. Bring in. I probably would put some more light-in buckets in this house because there's only one right there. We got that one that's hanging. Just kind of bring some light in because does have it tinted on the window from there from the pool. But this would be basically walking in every day to home. You got your swimming pool, great size, back screened in lanai area. You got right there, you can pull down if you want some privacy. 2 fans, again, it's screened in. Until they had the grill there at one point. You got your spa, your pool, pretty decent size. And again, the view. Keep on looking at the news. Everybody's snowed in up north. This is what we got to deal with. It's really hard, isn't it? And that's not heated, by the way, for the spot for the hot tub. But I like this. You got slider. So you got 3 sliders, because that's the focal point is the swimming pool for this house. Kitchen, nice and open. Still got your little area here. You can put a little dinette. Good size for the living room here. Again, windows looking out. You could probably have your couches depending on how they face. Lots of counter space here. You got your pantry. Nice appliances. Laundry room. Go look at the garage here. This does have a solar panel system. That is something that we're running into quite a bit now, becoming very popular. Is the solar panels, water heater. Drop down ladder for the attic. So 2-car garage, Tesla power banks. For this particular house, to be included with the home, the system I believe is $20,000. If not, the owner will take it with them to their new place. A buddy of mine just got the Tesla system. It's very nice system. And this is where all the bedrooms, there's a split layout. So you got bedroom 1, 2, and 3. They're pretty decent sized rooms. This one's got tile, ceramic tile. And again, $375 for a house, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 2,000 square feet for $375. Little added touch, put some crown mold and trim on there. This one has carpet, so all 3 have different flooring. You got 1 tile, 1 laminate, and 1 carpeted. Little view outside. Same thing, crown molding on this one. Trim. Same thing in here in the halls. Bath. Here's your bathroom, full bath. That's the door that leads out to the backyard that I would say that I would pave. You know, that way not tracking in a bunch of water and whatnot in and out of the house. Nice color granite. Tile floors throughout this whole area in the middle. Or in the central area, should I say. This is the master. Master closet. And those are put down at an angle so they can put shoes on there. Probably use a closet system in this, probably to maximize it as much as possible. Master bath, dual sinks, shower, garden tub, and then toilets back there. This home is not going to last. I highly doubt it would make it by the end of today, just because of the number of showings that we've received since yesterday and that we're going to have today. Typically, rule of thumb is for every 10 showings, we should get one offer. These bees are out here. So we had at least a full day yesterday. Today, I'm sure we're going to have double-digit showings today for this one. Awesome location. Can't get any better than this. Great schools. This is a zone here for Hammond, Martinez, and Steinbrenner. Best schools you can get into for the area. Great location. Again, you're not far right here. The main road is going to be Gun Highway. You can get very quickly to the expressway, get into downtown Tampa. I'd say probably in about 20, 25 minutes at tops with traffic. And this is a little bit further north, so if you wanted to get from here to Honeymoon Island to the beaches there, probably same thing. It's probably going to take you probably maybe 25 minutes to get to. But you can see out here it's just pretty quiet out here on a Saturday. And again, our open house opens between 12 and 2 o'clock. Here at 19921 Wyndham Lake Circle in Wyndham Lakes. If you guys want to come out, check this house out. See you guys.